All right, what's going on, guys? This is another episode of Cooking with Bishop. I am your host, Bishop. So, on this episode, what we got for you guys is a little bit of comfort food for you. So, what we got for you guys today is going to be southern spaghetti with baked chicken wings, tossed in my own special sauce, and cornbread with vegetables on the side. So, stay tuned, check it out. Leave comments, like, notification, subscribe, and I'm out. Guys, so I already have my chicken pre-cut. So what we have here is some garlic salt, pepper, salt. We also have white pepper, chili powder, and paprika. And in the back, we have my special ingredients. So always start by, like I said, making sure you clean your chicken off, and we're just gonna do a light season over everything. Except for right here, I kind of got butterfingers and I dropped a little bit of too much of the chili powder in there, but that's perfectly fine. But also get like a nice even coat of all your seasonings on here, and then a quick toss. Seriously, guys, I messed up so bad. A lot happened in this, but you get it. So after you've tossed all your wings together and your seasonings, you're just gonna spray them on a parchment paper and line them up. Put them in the oven at 375 for about 45 minutes. That should get your chicken to 165. And here comes the cool part, making this also a nice chunk of butter, so it doesn't burn. And then we put brown sugar, a little bit of ketchup, and that's how you start with apple cider vinegar. That's how you start the base for barbecue sauce. And then we add a little lime juice for citrus, salt, pepper, chili powder, and red pepper flakes. I really enjoyed working with um, red pepper flakes and apple cider vinegar and brown sugar when I'm making my own barbecue sauce. And I usually like to make my own sauces for almost everything that I make. The eventual goal is to have all of these things ready and on deck, so all I have to do is just toss them in there. But what you're gonna do with this, once you got all of your ingredients in there, is whisk them together until you have like a nice caramelization on there. I love that word, caramelization. Just said it two separate ways, but all right. And after that, you're just gonna go in and toss your chicken in that has been resting, and just make sure they get all nice and coated. So you can use your tongs like I'm doing here. Or if you feel like you're kind of experienced and you want to be brave and try some cool things out, you can always give them a quick flip. And I like doing that because I like to feel cool. All right, so now that our chicken is done, we're going to start with our ground beef. It's going to be minced garlic, a little bit of onion, probably like half an onion, and then your ground beef. I use like I think like 80% lean, and I always toss salt and pepper in there just because like it's cool. And because it's spaghetti, you gotta have a little bit of garlic in there, right? So that's what we'll go for. And as you can see, we gotta have our cornbread done. The editing on this video was very bad. I kind of put it together in a weird way. But as you can see, we're gonna put all of our seasonings in there, let that brown together, and at the very end, I'm gonna have what we do with the cornbread to get it that nice golden brown. All right, and once you have your ground beef all nice and browned and sauteed with your onions and your minced garlic. Just gonna take some regular old pasta sauce, ragu, and add fresh onion, green pepper, and red pepper. Alright, now we're just gonna start with our cornbread recipe, which is from the Jiffy box, as you can see. So just take a little bit of, that's a teaspoon of oil, put it in our cast iron skillet and toss it in our preheated oven and just get that all together. So then we take a cup of milk, 2 eggs, toss it in our flour package mix. I love jalapenos, so we like making jalapeno cornbread here. Sometimes cheesy jalapeno cornbread, but this time just jalapeno cornbread. So right now, as you can see, I'm sharpening my knife, And from this is where the shout out comes at. My boy Morgan actually taught me how to sharpen this knife. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it backwards, but thank you, bro. I appreciate it. And he's also been like a driving force with how me actually getting out and making my videos. So we're gonna chop up our jalapeno now, super quick. uh, and from there, just toss it into your batter, and it should be diced pretty fine. You don't have to be a super great professional to do this, but you don't want it to be chunky. You want it to be kind of like bite size. So however you can do it to make sure that it's not super chunky to where you're biting an entire jalapeno, that it's kind of spread out all throughout the cornbread batter once you've got it made. Whiskey, 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 real good. Now I'm 100% sure that was a huge fail. You're gonna kill me in the comment box, but it is who I is. I am who I am. So once you got your batter all nice and mixed together, just toss it in your pan. Again, it's already preheated hot, so that kind of helps the process in there of non-sticking. But it's a cast iron skillet, so you know, it is what it is. And at the very end, once you've completed this entire mission, you are going to have something that's totally worth showing off to your partner, to your parents, hell, to your roommate. Or, if you're like me, you're doing it for the gram. Guys, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Like, share, subscribe. This has been your boy, Bishop, with another episode of Cooking with Bishop. We had to turn to this. You know that shit was bomb.